How to enable picture softness in camera setting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera setting, scroll down. Scroll down, now here showing you picture softness. So click on picture for softness and click on medium. So after click on medium, go back and take a picture. You will see soft picture is here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how to enable picture softness in camera setting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.